So dear students, in this video we are going to see how to read a character using getChar function and to check whether the string is palindrome or not without storing the reverse of the string. So to store the string, I have declared one character array which is here declared as char str of 20. Now for storing the indexes I am using I and j, and for storing the length I am using the variable length, and to store identify whether it's palindrome or not, I am using one flag variable which is initialized to 1. So now I am printing a message, enter the string, and because here I am using the character by character reading, I will be storing into the array by using the index I, which is initialized to 0. So while str of I++ is equal to getChar, which is not equal to new line, I am performing the reading a character and storing into the array until I enter a new line. So once I enter a new line, the while loop gets terminated, and at the end I am storing a null character at the index I minus 1 using str of I minus 1 equal to null character. And the length of the string here is I minus 1, which I am performing by decrementing I and storing I into the length. Now I am printing the message red string is %yes. So if I want to print a string using percentages, I need to store explicitly the null character, so which is done explicitly over here. Now to print the length, I am using printf length is length. So now for checking whether a first character of the string and the last character of the string, I need two indexes. One is I for checking from beginning, and j which is to be pointed at the last character. The length of the string is length, so the index of the last character will be length minus 1, which is initialized here into the variable j. Now this this comparison has to happen until there is a mismatch or the middle character is passed. So here I less than length minus 1. This is the termination condition. If I becomes equal to length minus 1, my termination ends, and after every iteration my I index has to increment and j index has to be decremented. So inside the loop I will be comparing str of I against str of j. If str of I is not equal to str of j, it means that there is some character mismatch, and it is not a palindrome, where to indicate I am changing the flag to 0 and terminating the loop. If the flag variable is changed at any point, if the character is mismatched, then my flag will be 0. At that point I will be printing that the string is not a palindrome. Otherwise, if all the characters until the middle are the same, then my flag variable will remain 1, which indicates that the string is a palindrome. So this is how we can check the string against a palindrome. Now let us check the program by running it. So suppose I give the string as madam. So you can see that message madam is a palindrome is coming. Now check for the not a palindrome. Suppose I give the string as Aruna. You can see that we'll get a message Aruna is not a palindrome. This is how we can check the string for palindrome without storing the reversed string. Thank you.